Good morning, or no, that's like a terrible way to start. Anyways, welcome back to the second video of my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a weekly update of the portfolio. The goal is to hit 50K because that is 5 Chick-fil-A's. Assuming you can still open up a Chick-fil-A for 10 grand. But anyways, the reason why we're posted against the wall is because I have to charge my phone. But we're going to go through the week, and the reason why is, I think, to understand the future, we have to study the past. So that being said, let's get into it. This week, I am up $653, which is weak sauce, in my opinion. It is a very stagnant week. Look at this. I don't know how well the camera can focus, but very stagnant. It was a 1.84% gain of the week. Very disappointed in myself, but it's okay. Anyways, let's see what we got. So I didn't do a Thursday or Friday vlog because I was with my girlfriend and I try to live in the present. But Thursday was a great day until around, I believe, the market fell around like 11 or 12 Pacific Coast time. And in terms of the stock market, that's 2 to 1 hours before, or 1 to 2 hours before the market closes. For Thursday, I was actually up 2.7%, so around 3%, which is fantastic. Almost up $1,000, and then I dropped, and I think I only got $100 that week, or that day, and then Friday was super stagnant. I only earned around $100 to $200. So it was okay. I forgot what happened on Thursday. I should have put that in my notes. Look it up. But anyways, so yeah, let's get right into it. So the first 4 stocks are my casino stocks, and I love these guys. They've been with me since day 2. They're not day 1 stocks, unfortunately. The first one is Caesars Entertainment. I have a 3,600% gain or total return on Caesars, and the reason why is because Caesars merged with, I just looked at their 1 week. They went up 7%. Honestly, blessings to the Most High for that 7%. But anyways, they merged with Eldorado, or I should say Eldorado bought Caesars and then kept the name Caesars. So if you're trying to buy Eldorado Resort stock, it is now under Caesar Entertainment, ticker symbol CZR. Try to say that 10 times fast. I can't. But anyways, this week up 7%. It is fantastic. I'm just going to run through the 4 casinos and then I'll explain why I chose all 4, as well as which ones I might get rid of this week and which ones I might buy more of this week. Should be really interesting. So if you want stock picks, just give me 1 second. Red Rock Casino's up 14%, which is double Caesar's percentage for the week. Blessings to the Most High once again, because 14% in a week is pretty good. For the month, they're up 41%, and I have been in these for quite a while. I have a 28% return of $313. I put in $1,000 and I got $300 back. So Red Rock, fantastic, and there's a reason why Caesars and Red Rock are doing fantastic. Win up 8% for the week, blessings. For the month though, they're only up like 0%, so they broke even, and I will explain that in 1 second why. So, and then Las Vegas Sands is the 4th stock casino that I'm in. And that is up 4%. It was up, I think this was, alright, so this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. On Wednesday, for the week, it was up 9%, and then it fell, and I think I know why. But for the month, it's down 2%. It's okay. These are very volatile, and I'm only up, this is actually really sad, I'm only up 2%, which is $10 for Las Vegas Sands. So now, like I said, there are multiple types of casinos, and at least in my mind, there's 2. There's the rural area local casinos, like the Red Rocks / Caesars Entertainment, and then there's the global type of casinos that have not only the domestic and national customer base, but are just global and They have exposure to Macau, China, which is where Wynn and Las Vegas Sands have casinos. The reason why Wynn and Las Vegas Sands aren't doing too well compared to the other casinos is because Macau, China isn't doing as much gambling as we thought they would. And by we, I mean analyst. So I shouldn't even say we, I should just say analyst because I'm not an analyst by far. Compared to Red Rock, though, good choice for this week, up 14%. That is because they have more local casinos around the area. And that's because, so they are definitely quantity over quality, and that's not to bash the company, great company, but what I mean by that is they have smaller casinos, more local, so the locals want to get out and they want to play, they want to gamble. Fantastic. One honorary member is Penn. I had Penn, and then I made a video about selling Penn, and when I sold it around $37 because that's when it rebounded, and now it is at $52. Let me run the quick math on that. Let me see. 52 minus 37 is 15. Divide that by 52. That is a 28% gain that I missed out on. 29 if you round up the decimal. And honestly, that's okay. We never look back. You know, that's just the motto for life. Never look back, always forward. Which is kind of ironic because we're looking at this week's gain. The next one is the S&P ETF that I'm in. Let's see how well I did. For the week, it is up 1%. That is absolute trash. And then the next one is the NASDAQ. It is down 0.10%. Not that bad. It broke even this week. And then the last ETF is the Dow ETF. Up 4%. I'm not that surprised. And the reason why, also blessings to the Most High for that one. But the reason why I'm not surprised is because my S&P 500 as well as my NASDAQ ETF has just been killing it during this Corona season. And now we're starting to see a money move from tech as well as S&P 500 companies into the Dow Industrials, and so that covers the three stocks that are like massive large cap ETFs. The next one are gold. The next two, I should say, are gold. I love this one. So what happened was, over the past 3 months, this gold stock went up 77%. And I have just been waiting to buy into it again because I buy and sell this one quite often. Or let me rephrase that. Let me see if I could go back all the way. Okay, so currently it's over $100. I bought it around $50. So that's already 100% gain, and I've been waiting to buy more, but there's always been more opportunities out there. And then actually this week it fell. At one point, it fell 18% for the week, and I just bought into it. I put $500 more into it, so now my $600 to $700 investment had around $700 return, and then I put $500 more, so that's around $2,000 on Robinhood, which I'll show you right now. It's $1,900 in equity. And then the next one is purely gold, because I have one mining company ETF and then one gold ETF, and the difference is there's not too much of a difference. They rise and decrease together, but one invests in the actual commodity of gold and gold companies, and the other one invests in mining gold companies and precious metals. So for the week, the gold one went down 11%. At one point, it was down 18% on August 12th. Jeez, it's already August. That's crazy to me. But anyways, when it was down 18%, I put $500 in again. I think I have a screen recording of me buying more, but I have to check. Anyways, the next stock is my bank stock, and it was, let's see, for the week it was up 5%. Usually what I've seen as this week's pattern is when tech and the large cap ETFs go up, usually the banks and gold go down, and then it's an inverse relationship or direct relationship when nope, I had it right the first time. Inverse relationship when tech and S&P large cap goes down, my bank and gold stocks go up. So it's always nice to hedge. Now, it shouldn't be 50-50 because the rule is gold should be around 10 to 20, 10 to 15%. I don't know the rule about your bank ratio. But anyways, for me, bank is only 1.1% of my portfolio. That's kind of sad. But anyways, the next two stocks, or I should say three stocks, let me move that over there. It's Ladder Capital, and this one was kind of a gamble, but I'm up 1% for the week. I'm not going to go into it too much. Real estate is up and down, super volatile. At one point, Summit Hotel Properties, ticker symbol INN, was up 5% and then dropped down on Thursday and Friday to net a weekly gain of 0.57%. It's alright. This next one, oh wait, hold on, I gotta finish the real estate. So I have Invesco Mortgage. A lot of people invested in Invesco Mortgage when it dipped. Let me see this dip. It is 53% dip. I bought it during the dip, and I regret that because sometimes you should buy the dip, sometimes... Alright, GoPro turned off, or just cut the video for some reason. So, like I was saying, sometimes you shouldn't buy the dip because these companies dip for a reason. This had a crazy dip. I bought it when it was $4.15, and now it is currently $3.20. In essence, negative 22% loss and a $94 loss. Not too bad though. So, alright, let's move on out of the real estate. We got some, I don't know what to call this sector, but I'll just call it like the stocks my girlfriend pitched me, because that's pretty much what that is. So the first stock she pitched me was Chef Warehouse. The reason why I'm laughing is because like she's over there sitting. But anyways, Chef Warehouse up 10% for the week. Thank God, because for the month it was, or for, let's see, from June 8th till recently, August 3rd, it dropped 42%. That was crumbling my portfolio. I invested, it looks like $300, 15 shares at $15. No, that's terrible math. Apologies. Alright, 15 shares at around $15.5. Oh, $230, not that bad. But I'm down 2%, so it's not that bad. It is making a comeback. For the week, it was up around 10%. For the month, it's up 15%. I want to sell it once it rebounds. I might even just sell it on Monday. I don't like this company anymore, and I don't believe in it. It did well when my girlfriend pitched it to me. It was fairly low, so that's why I bought it, and then I should have sold it at a high. But anyways, the next one she pitched me was Etsy for, oh my god, it's down 7% for the week. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's a tech stock. I really believe in this stock, so I actually might buy more, to be honest. Down 7% isn't that bad. I think it's high. Let me see if Robinhood gives high. Yeah, its high is 130 and it's at 129. So I might wait for it to dip or consolidate a little more and then buy more. And wow, from its COVID low till now, or from its highest, it was up 326%. That doesn't mean it's going to rise 326% again. It's just really impressive. I really like this stock, so I actually will probably buy more of it. I have 5 shares. I want more now that I say this out loud. The next stock is a home builder stock.